Did you know that nearly 55% of people have experienced a lucid dream at least once? Imagine being able to fly in those dreams. Just think about how freeing and exhilarating it would feel to soar through the sky, feeling the wind rush past you. In this video, we're going to explore how you can unlock that ability and take flight in your dreams. In this video, you'll learn how to harness the power of lucid dreaming to take flight in your dreams. We'll dive into some techniques that can help you achieve this incredible experience. Whether you're a seasoned dreamer or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So buckle up and get ready to spread your wings in your dream world. Now, let's talk about the challenge many of us face. A lot of people struggle to control their dreams and often feel trapped or limited by their subconscious. You might have found yourself in a dream where you wanted to run away, but felt like you were moving in slow motion, or you might have tried to scream but nothing came out. That's frustrating, right? This video is here to tackle that very issue. We'll address how to achieve lucidity in your dreams and gain that precious control. It's all about breaking free from those constraints and stepping into a world where you can shape your experience. All right, let's dive into some practical techniques for inducing lucid dreams. First up, we have reality checks. This involves questioning whether you are dreaming throughout your day. You could try pinching your nose and seeing if you can breathe through it. If you can, you're dreaming. Next, let's talk about dream journaling. Keeping a journal of your dreams helps you become more aware of your dream patterns and themes, making it easier to recognize when you're dreaming. Finally, there's the wake back to bed method. This involves waking up after 5 to 6 hours of sleep, staying awake for a short period, and then going back to sleep. This technique can increase your chances of entering REM sleep, where lucid dreaming occurs. These tips are all about enhancing your dreaming experience and getting you closer to that feeling of flying. So, here's the key insight. With practice and patience, you can learn to recognize when you're dreaming. The moment you realize you're in a dream is when the magic happens. It's like flipping a switch, allowing you to take control and soar through the skies of your imagination. Picture this. You're up in the clouds, feeling weightless, exploring landscapes that can only exist in your dreams. It's an exhilarating feeling, and it's all within your reach if you put in the effort to practice these techniques regularly. To wrap up, we've discussed some amazing techniques to help you achieve lucidity in your dreams and experience the thrill of flying. From reality checks to dream journaling and the wake back to bed method, these tools can help you master the art of lucid dreaming. Just remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more successful you'll become at controlling your dreams. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other content on dream control techniques and leave a comment sharing your own dreaming experiences. Let's connect and share our journeys into the dream world. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content on lucid dreaming. Happy flying, dreamers!